What is that? Is it Windex? No, it's totally awesome window cleaner, the most shameless knockoff ever, but they knocked off a great product and they did quite well. As you can see, this is my dad's bar. It's covered in glass surfaces, and this stuff is pretty much identical to Windex. It will clean your glass surfaces without streaks, which no other spray cleaner can do because it is specifically designed to clean glass. So it's basically like Windex with a different label on it. It functions the exact same. It gives you an awesome streak-free clean on your glass surfaces like nothing else will. Don't bother getting your regular spray cleaner and disinfectant out on glass surfaces. You are only going to muck them up. You are only going to put a weird coat and film and streaks and gassy fog all over them. This is what you need, either Windex or it's totally awesome window cleaner, which is basically a shameless knockoff, but it works just as well. And if you put a different label on it and did a double-blind test, no one could tell the difference. It's really pretty much just about the exact same thing.